Hello, today is 23rd day of the 30-day of self-code challenge. The name of the challenge is Binary Search Trees Level-Order Traversal. So, let's get started. The problem gives us a binary search tree like this, and it requires us to print the elements, the nodes of the tree in a level order. What do I mean by saying level order? So the root is in a level 0 and the children of root is in a level 1. It goes like that. So it is level 0, level 1, level 2. So if we print this in a level order, we are going to print all nodes in a level 0. Okay, it's 3. Then in a level 1 there are 2 nodes, but we are going to print them from left to right. 2, 5. Okay, 2, 5. There is 2, 5. Then in a second level we have 3 nodes, 1, 4, 7, and we are going to print them from left to right. 1, 4, 7. Okay, so I think you understand the problem statement, and so let's solve this problem. Let's say if you don't have a tree, if the root is none, we are going to return, just return. We are going to exit from the function because we don't have a tree right now. So if we have a tree, then we are going to solve this. How do we solve this? We are going to define a Q variable. Q, it stands for Q for Q. Okay. The structure of the Q is like this. The Q is like array, but we insert the elements to the Q in this order. Like we are going to insert like this. First of all, let's say 1, then 2, then 3. Okay. But we are going to pop elements from the starting from the first element. We are going to pop 1 first, then 2 second, 3 third. Okay, so let me erase them. Let me erase. Okay. 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 We have defined the Q variable. Okay. And we are going to insert append the root. Our root is 3, so we are going to insert 3. Okay. Then we are going to define a while loop. If our Q is not empty if length of the Q array bigger than 0, it means it's not empty. Then print my first element but data, and pop this. We are going to pop this q dot pop first element. Then we are printing 3, okay, and popping this, print and pop. Let's cross this, popping. And if 3 has a child, if 3 has a left child, if let's save this note while popping. If not dot left is not none, if it has a left child, then append that left child to our queue. So there is a left child. 2 is the left child of 3, so we are going to append that. We are going to insert that to the queue. Okay, like this. 2. Okay. And we are also going to check the right child. If not right is not none, then also insert that to our queue. Not right. So there is a right child. It's 5. We are going to insert that to the queue. Okay. Then I think it's done. I think we are going to return nothing. Just let me run this code. Something wrong, because we need to print all values in a same line. So, and this. Okay, we have solved this, I think. Okay, all test cases are passed, but let's iterate through this tree. So in the second iteration, it will check the queue. If it's empty, the code will be terminated. If it's not empty, it will print the value. We have a 2 in our queue. Yeah, so we are going to print that and pop that. In this line, we are going to check the left child of 2. If there is a left child of 2, then we are going to insert that to the queue. So there is a left child of 2 is 1, so we are going to insert that 1. Okay, then in this line we are going to check the right child. There is no right child for 2, so we are going to proceed to the next iteration. Okay, so our queue is not empty because we have 5 here, 5 and 1, so it will print 5 and pop that 5 in these 2 lines. Okay, let's printing and popping. Okay, then it will check the left child of the 5. We have a left child, it's 4. We are going to insert that 4 into the queue. It will check the right child of the 5, we have 7 here, so it will insert the 7 to the queue, and we are going to proceed with the next iteration. Our queue is not empty, so we are going to print the first element of the queue. It's 1, and we are going to pop that. Okay, then we are going to check the left child of the 1. We don't have any children in 1, so we are going to proceed with the next iteration. It will check the emptiness of the queue. Our queue is not empty, so it will print the first element. It's 4. It will pop that. Okay, then this line will check the left child of 4. We don't have any children for 4, so we are going to proceed with the next iteration. Our queue is not empty. We have a 7 in our queue, and we will print that and pop that. Okay, printing and popping. This line will check the left child of 7. We don't have a left child. And this will check the right child of the 7. We don't have right child, so it will go with the next iteration, but our queue is empty, so it will not proceed with next iteration, and it will exit the function. Okay, and we have solved this problem, submitted this code, and it is accepted. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to challenge yourself, please try the next challenge. See you in the next video. Bye.